one recycled cardboard box, recycled tissue paper. I love packaging, parceling, packing, wrapping. And one nice shiny black genuine leather belt with a solid brass buckle, rust proof, and a solid brass rivet, also rust proof. Still don't recommend putting them in the sea. When you order from Ravn Leather, you will also get a care guide, how to look after your leather. Let's just coil the belt, pop it in the box. Last thing, a couple of business cards, one for your own fridge, one I would really appreciate if you passed on to a friend, assuming you're happy with the product. There we go. That will be in a post bag, hopefully in the next half an hour, and on its way to its new owner. I hope it provides you many years of good service, and if it doesn't, bring it back, send it back, and I'll fix it for you.